Welcome adventurers, LARPers, and Renaissance Fair enthusiasts. I am St. Godric, and today I am showing you how to make a wrap hood. So I'm not really sure what to call this thing. I've seen it called a scarf hood. I've seen it called a wrap hood. When I first encountered them, I was looking for a Sith hood for some cosplay stuff. So to add something here in editing, I forgot to add that these are also sold, I guess, for music festivals. So if you have found this video because you're looking to make a hood for a music festival, leave that in the comments below. I'm interested about that. When I look on Etsy, the main one that I saw in this was advertising primarily for music festivals. So, interesting. And I saw this online and I saw the design and then reached out to a friend of mine named TB. Props to her for helping me out with all of this. And we came up with the pattern and kind of messed around with it. And then this is the outcome. This hood is a very versatile hood that you can use for a lot of different things. You can use it in a lot of different fabrics as well. And it makes this a really cool hood. So today I want to show you how to make this wrap hood. So here's what you're gonna need for this project. I have two different colors here. You can definitely do it in one. I have a yard each of this felt here. Got some clips, scissors, marker, and a straight edge. Now you can use any fabric that you want here. I'm using this felt because it's cheap and I'm lazy and I don't have to finish the edges here because it won't fray, but I've definitely done this in linen and in wool and it works great either way. Here's the pattern that we're gonna be working on today. It really is this easy. We need to make two of this shape, 22 inches at the top, 14 inches at the bottom, 42 inches long. One end we're gonna round to make the hood. You get two of these, so at the top, so at the bottom, and you're done. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna do my 22 inches here. I'm gonna mark the 11-inch spot as well to make my middle point. Then I'm gonna measure down 42 inches and then make my 14. So, let me straighten this out. Pretty simple. So going in this direction, I need 22. Probably shouldn't have a blue one. I'll go see if I can get one of my white chalk ones. Let's see if this one works any better. Perfect. So what I did, 22 inches here, 11 inches in the middle. Then we're going to measure out 42 inches. So there's 36. $42 should be right here. So let's measure that again just to make sure. 36. Good. And then we need 14 inches. Move. And so that mark is going to be 7 inches. So I'm going to go 14. Then I'm going to go from corner and try and match up corner to corner. There we go. And so I've got 22 inches here, 42 inches here, and 14 inches there. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it out and then do the same thing with my secondary color. So now I'm gonna take my second color and I'm gonna place my first color, just lay it over the top, trace it out, and cut it out. And obviously you could do this with just one color if you wanted to, but I wanted to do it in two. Funny story, I was in the line to check out with this fabric, and the older lady behind me looks at my color choices and goes, "Oh, I love the colors you got there." And I turn and I go, "Oh, thank you." And she goes, "Yeah, my husband hates blue and green together, so my daughter and I always put blue and green things together on purpose to make him mad." I was like, "Oh, well, thanks, I guess." Blue and green are the company colors for my fighting company in Amp-Guard. So I was like, "Oh, I guess that's a compliment, thanks." We'll go ahead and cut this out. So what I've done here is I have taken both halves, I've clipped them together, and you can kind of see here. And what I did is I went to the one edge, I measured 6 inches and 6 inches, and I made lines there. I then rounded this, and then I went down another 6 inches, and I'm gonna put a clip here. And so what I'm gonna go do now, once you've done that, if you are gonna sew this, you can go ahead and cut this out. And what you're going to do is you're gonna sew along this line, follow the curve down, and then come all the way down to here, and then you're gonna end. You're gonna go off and finish right there. I am lazy when it comes to making garb like this, so I'm just gonna run mine through the serger. But if you wanna sew it, you can. One of the reasons, again, I like this fabric, I don't have to worry about it fraying. Super nice, just make sure this end lines up and everything else will be okay. So again, sew a line, and then end right here. I'll be right back. So now that you've sewn the headline, come down and do the same thing, connect the pieces down here. And when you're done with that, flip it inside out and you're done. So let me go ahead and show you this. I'll put this one on. This one is made of felt. I have another video I'll play as well of one of linen. You'll see kind of the difference in how they lay. But they are kind of complicated to put on. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take the back, open that up, put it on your head, right? And so you've got this big, giant, dangly thing here. Get it where you want it. Come down here, crisscross it, flip it up over your head. And then you come back and adjust it to make it look how you want. And then from here, you can fluff it up a little bit more. You can go out if you want that look, right? And then you can even wear it back. I mean, fix my beautiful hair, right? So then you have a wrap hood. You can do it, like I said, in any of the different fabrics that you're used to. This one is felt, so I didn't finish the ends, but if you're using something like a cotton or a linen, make sure you fold it over and hem it like normal. But here is your wrap hood. So that wraps up the tutorial on how to make a wrap hood. Thank you so much for watching. My name is St. Godric, and if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe as well. It really does help out the channel. See you next time.